At Twitter, we'll see that again. This is not official. Let me just do this. That way there's not a. I'm just kind of getting some lines ready in case we do form a double bottom. Like I would like to see us do this. Trade back, close above the VWAP, take a little bit of a pullback, and then have it go higher. Because again, this one just didn't gap as much. So I think there's a little bit more room versus, Snapchat is like, up. I actually think I can get it a little bit lower. 85 by 85. Got $1, right? Yeah. All right, boom, we're filled. All right, we're going to try and save ourselves a couple pennies if we get stopped out. So stop move on Twitter to 69.97. We do have a little pivot point there. Since Twitter is failing VWAP pretty easily. Next time it flashes into positive, take off 25%. Market exit Twitter 25% here. New Twitter target. But yeah, you can leave yours higher if you want. It's hitting here. It did go through 72, right? The open 72.20, 72.10. But yeah, so it's like I know what the strongest double bottom will look like, and it's usually not this. It would just bounce off of that and then go. Let's see if I can find one. We really shouldn't take this candle out. Stop move on Twitter should not take out that bullish volume candle. 71.17. Just watch. Okay, there we go. We're out. All right. Out of Twitter. Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Harry Potter, for missing our stop.